is question 14 from the GATE 2016 session 3 EC paper, where we are given this op-amp circuit with input Vi and output as an LED and this waveform for Vi, and are asked to find out how many times the LED glows. Underneath the question you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic. Here I have drawn the op-amp circuit with the VCC and minus VCC as 10 volt and minus 10 volt. You can see that the voltage V minus will be the result of this resistor division, which you can calculate as 2 kilo ohm by 8 kilo ohm plus 2 kilo ohm times the input voltage of 10 volt. This will come out to be 2 volt. The idea is that when Vi is greater than 2 volt, the voltage here will be 10 volt. And the voltage will be minus 10 when Vi is less than 2 volt. So when the voltage here is plus 10, that is when plus VCC comes, you will now have current flowing into the base of the transistor, because now you have enough voltage to drop 0.7 across the base to emitter diode. This will cause the transistor to turn on and the LED will glow. It only has a drop of 1.5 volt. We can confirm this by finding the value of the base current. The base current will be 10 minus 0.7 by 15 kilo ohm, and the collector current will be beta times the base current, which will be 100 into IB. And the same collector current flows across the 100 ohm resistor, and so the voltage at this point should be 10 volt minus IC into 100. So that is 10 minus 100 IB into 100. You can replace IB by 10 minus 0.7 by 15k into 100. So k is 1000, you lose 3 zeros, and this is 3, this is 2. So this is roughly, so 10 minus 0.7, I'm going to ignore the 0.7, this is roughly 20 by 3, just 10 minus, again that's roughly 6, so that's roughly 6, this is now 4, so you have roughly 4 volt here, which is more than enough to satisfy the drop on the LED and still have enough to keep this transistor in active region, right? So the point is, when you have 10 volt at the output of the op-amp, that should be enough to turn the transistor on and have the LED glow. So all you have to do is look for when Vi is greater than 2. So we can shade the regions where Vi is greater than 2. Right? So you have 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 3 times the LED glows. Thus the answer is 3.